Hey there, today we're going to be looking at the Provia Ecolite vinyl window. The Ecolite is a phenomenal option for you and your project if you're looking for something that will outperform a basic builder's grade vinyl window, but will not blow your budget. It comes in a basic white interior and exterior, but is highly customizable with the grill pattern. Just to show you how this hung window works, it tilts in when you lift up on the sash. Just pull on these tilt tabs and the window folds in nicely right towards you for easy cleaning. Ecolite comes in several different styles for your project as well. There is double hungs where both top and bottom sashes open or move. Single hung where just the bottom sash opens, like this sample here. There's also sliding windows or gliding windows that go right to left, left to right. There are picture windows or stationing windows and hopper windows that fold in towards you. So that's what you need to know about the Provia Ecolite. Be sure to consider it for your project.